Okay, everybody, this is a VR to Rivet Gardener, and it is a cooking video, and it is a VR to the Seco De Pollo that Rivet did the other day, and I'm doing some things different in this video. I will not be using beer, be using hard cider, be using dried parsley, not fresh. I have no serrano peppers, but we do have black Hungarian peppers. Let me get a little close up. That's these. And I have a Mohawk pepper that is a hybrid. I've not used it before. Poblanos, a purple bell pepper. And this one escapes me right now, but I'll think of it. Also different would be no red onion. I'll be using sweet onion and a few smaller, hotter onions from the farm. And the rest of the ingredients are pretty much the same, except I'm using fresh tomato, not canned tomato, but I will be using tomato paste. I have the chicken browning, and I'm going to work on the veggies, and I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to crack the garlics, smash them. I think the other thing I'm doing, I guess a lot I'm doing different than Rivet. I'm going to put it in the crock pot. I have to go to work for a while, so I won't be home to watch it in the oven. I'm going to put it on low for about 4 hours in the crock pot. Hopefully it won't be too overdone when I get back. Alright, I'll be back and I'm putting it together. Okay, there's the onions, and then the garlic's going in next. That didn't belong in there. I'm going to save some of this because it's amazing, and I'm going to use it in another stewed chicken recipe. Another thing I guess I'm doing different is I put the annatto in the oil and made achote oil and browned the chicken in that rather than adding the powder to this. Okay, here goes the cider. Yeah, I did taste it. It's amazing. Delish. I have one big piece of cilantro that didn't get chopped. Alright, when this comes back up to a boil, I'll be back. I gotta tell you, I don't know that I've ever smelled anything like that before. With that hot cider in there, that is amazing. Delicious. I can hardly wait. Maybe work will go fast and I'll get home and it'll all be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna bring that back up to a harder boil and then I'm gonna put it in the crock pot. I'll be back. Okay, the sauce and veggies is all hot. Now it's gonna go in with the chicken. Chicken's in the crock pot on low. And I used a whole cut up chicken. I cut up a whole chicken. I didn't just use thighs. We like white meat but dark meat is very flavorful too, so we like both. Oh, could have been bad. Sorry if I'm blocking. I want to get all the goodies out of there. What do you think? How's it look? All right, I'll show you the finished product later on. Thanks for watching. Okay, everybody, I just got home and I have not even taken the lid off the crock pot yet. So I don't know, it's kind of dark. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Wow. Oh. His leg literally falling off the bone. Oh, you saw that. And let's see what I think of it. I don't have any buttered potatoes, whoops, that are traditional with this, but wow. Man. That's amazing. It's a little spicy, but it's not hot. It's delicious. Okay, I have rice in the fridge. I'm heating it up. See you later. Thanks for watching.